welcome to another video. Today I am doing a try-on haul from the clothing brand Stylenanda. If you guys haven't heard about Stylenanda, they are a South Korean based brand. They do cosmetics, skincare, and they also make clothing. If you guys have been following me for a while, you might have seen my old video with the 3CE swatches. That's from Stylenanda. They make really great lip products. I'm actually wearing a lip velvet tint right now. Yeah, I really like their makeup. I've only purchased their makeup. I've never purchased the clothing because a lot of Asian countries only offer free size, which technically means it's one size fits all type of thing. And I'm a size US 6 to 8, so I range from size 6 to 8. I was kind of nervous about making this purchase because I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit me. I did look at the measurements and I compared my measurements to the ones on the description for the products. Bought 5 items from Stylenanda, mostly dresses, but I also want to talk about my overall shopping experience, which includes customer service. I want to talk about the sizing and the quality. It's basically a review because I've never purchased clothing from them. Let's get to it. I want to show you guys the outfits that I purchased. I ordered a denim overall dress with an open front slit, which is so cute. And the sizing is a little snug. Luckily, I am losing weight at the moment, so it's fitting a little bit better. But when I first got this in the mail, I put it on immediately, and I couldn't button the second button. So there's buttons on the side of this dress. There's 2. And I was only able to do the first one, and today when I filmed the video I was able to button the second button, so I was really happy about that. This one's really cute. The denim feels like actual denim. It's not stretch denim. I don't like stretchy denim because it loses its shape after a while, but I really love the front slit of this dress. It's what caught my eye in the first place because I have seen dresses like this sold here, but I've never seen one with the front slit before. Also like this front pocket here, and yeah, just everything about it. It's so cute. I love denim. I'm a huge fan of denim, and I just needed a long denim overall dress. I also got this super long, it's actually a dress. It's listed as a dress on the website, but this is just a tunic top. I don't see how anyone can wear this as a dress because it is so see-through, but I wore it as a tunic with some baggy pants, and I wore a black bra underneath to match my pants. That way it looks more cohesive. It doesn't look like I didn't put that much effort on in the outfit. This one's really pretty. The fabric is very light. I really like the zipper on the back. It is so long. I mean, yeah, you can wear it as a dress if you're really short or you have like a bodysuit underneath, but yeah, I'm gonna wear this as a shirt. I don't see myself wearing this as a dress. The third item / items, it's actually a 2-piece set. I got this stretchy knit skirt, and it's really cute because it has pockets and it has a slit in the back. And it's actually pretty long. I really like it because sometimes I don't want to shave my legs just so I can wear a skirt. So this kind of hides my legs a little bit. I really like that. I love that it has pockets. This skirt came with a matching top, same color. And there's actually a food stain here because after I was done filming the outfits, I had lunch. And of course, I had to get a food stain on there. So yeah, it wouldn't be a normal day if I didn't have a food stain. It also has an elastic, elastic hem. It's really pretty. So you can wear it as a crop top or you can pull it down a little bit. It's not too cropped, and also you can wear this as a high waist. So if you don't want to show a lot of midriff, you can work with this. I really love the beige color. I've been into beige colors for the last 2 years. It's kind of hard to find good shades of beige in most clothing stores, so I had to get the set. It is so comfortable and it's very light. I wanted something to wear for the summer season, but I wanted something neutral, not too bright. Next, I got this beautiful beige pinstripe dress, which kind of reminds me of an apron because look at the straps. They're really, really thick, and in the back they both cross. I really like the back because it has the straps crossed. It was really tricky to put on because you have to put your head in and your arms through the sides, like almost at the same time. This is really small, and this is actually the only piece of clothing that had a sizing option, size small and medium. Obviously I went with the medium because I'm size 8, and believe it or not, it didn't fit. It wouldn't close, like the last inch of the zipper, just it won't go past that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might give this away. I don't know. I mean, I am dropping some pounds. I might fit into this in the future, but I don't know. I don't like having that kind of pressure on me, you know, like just for a dress. This one also has pockets, and the quality actually feels really nice. Yeah, I really, really love this dress, so I'm kind of bummed out that it didn't fit, which is so weird because I chose a size medium. This is not a free size. Last item that I bought is this really flowy white dress. So it's actually pretty breathable. I got it because I wanted a white dress for the summer season, and it just reminds me of like a, I don't know, kind of like a boho cottage type of look. I don't know, I'm so off. I'm so bad at describing styles. I just wanted a flowy dress that was white, and this one just caught my eye, and the way that the model wore it with the thick platform boots, I had to pair it with the same type of boots. I just loved the way it looked on the model. This one caught my eye and I just had to get it. She looked so cute wearing this. And what I really like about this dress is that it has these little straps, so you can wear it like this with the sleeve hanging off. I really like that. It is pretty baggy, so, and it's also sheer, so you might want to wear like a bodysuit. I actually wore this with a black a black thin spaghetti strap bodysuit underneath because it is sheer and I don't want people to see my underwear. And even then I felt kind of uncomfortable wearing it like that. I felt like you can see my butt and my whole like nether region, and I don't know about that. I mean, unless you're comfortable with that, then go ahead and do you, but yeah, I would have to wear something underneath. It has slits on the sides as well. This one's really baggy. I think if you're a size large, this will definitely fit you. Alright, so we're done with the outfits. I want to talk about my experience shopping on the website. The website is really easy to navigate. I actually contacted customer service and they got back to me really fast, considering they're like, what, 16 hours in the future. They're 16 hours ahead of us, so I was expecting a long wait for them to reply back to me, but no, they were actually really friendly and they got back to me right away. They replied to my email and my inquiries, so yeah, customer service, they're really good. Also, another thing that I want to note, the description on the website and the pictures of the clothing, they are actually accurate. So what you see on the website is what you're going to get. And another thing I like about their website is they have so many pictures of the model wearing the clothing. I love that. I wish more websites would do that. So if you visit the website, you'll just keep scrolling and scrolling, and there's just like a ton of pictures of that one particular item, and I really like that. The only problem that I have is the beige dress, the one that didn't fit me. I measured my waist, I measured my bust, my hips, all of that, and I made sure that the sizing was on point, and it was. So I don't know what happened with that, but the sizing is a little off. I wouldn't buy something if I know that it wouldn't fit, so I am really sad that I couldn't get that last inch. If you're a size 8 and over, I don't think that the majority of the items are going to fit you, unfortunately. The only one that fit me very comfortably was the white dress, the 2-piece set, and the tunic. Like, the overalls fit me a little tight. I was able to button up the sides, but it was still a little snug for my liking. I wanted to look more baggy. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense to me why they would offer one size. Maybe they don't want to wrap up production. They don't want to, I don't know. I honestly don't know why they do that. I don't think it's fair. I feel like it should be all inclusive. That's it for my try on haul / Stylenanda review. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!